Welcome to this lecture. So in this particular lecture, we'll be dealing with this. Lists come in three broad categories, namely ordered lists, unordered lists, and descriptive lists. So let's begin first with ordered lists. So in order to create an ordered list, you have to use this particular element called the OL element, or the ordered list element. And in order to list your items, you have to enclose them in this element called the list item element, LI. So for instance, I'm going shopping and I want eggs and I want milk, for instance. Milk, say I want bread. And say that I want bread here. And I want apples, for instance. And I want apples. So this is my ordered list. So I'm just going to save this and I'm going to refresh this page and see what our ordered list looks like. As you can see, these are all items that are listed here. And we note something here. We note that for an ordered list, the items are sorted in numerical order, or in numerical points. So 1 is eggs, 2 is milk, 3 is bread, 4 is apples. So I could just say these are my shopping items. So if you remember from our first lecture, we said this is our heading tag. And let me just say this is my shopping list. Just to make this look nicer here. There we go. And now there exists another kind of list, namely the unordered list. And the unordered list, instead of having these numerical values going down here, you could just have bullet points. So let me demonstrate this. So unordered list is UL rather. Close this tag. And in a similar fashion, we have to use the list item element here. So for instance, I could just go eggs again. I could just mix them up here. Eggs, LI. Perhaps I could start here with apples instead. Just to demonstrate this. So this will be apples. And see here I have milk. And my final item would be, I believe it's bread. Okay. Bread. And let me just show this so you'll notice that the bullet points will change. There you go. So the points are no longer in your numerical values going down. Instead, they are just bullet points here. And the final type of list, which is more rare and practically no one uses it, is called a detail list. So the detail list is DL. So DL for the detail list, we close it like this. We close it like this again, which is the standard protocol for HTML. And in order to have a detailed list item, we just go DT or detailed term, DT here, and then say I wanted to have bread, and now I can give a description to bread. So detailed description, DD. Bread is made of flour. And then perhaps I could add another item here, DT, and I could just go here, DD, and I could just say, well, milk, yeah. So milk comes from cows, yeah. Milk comes from cows. Let's demonstrate this here. There we go. So we have our item listed here, and we have like our description here, and our item, and then our description here. But this is one is seldom used, but nevertheless, it's useful theoretically to know, and perhaps it could be useful when you go about designing your own projects or building your own projects. So that'll be all for this lecture. Thank you very much.